There are numerous ways to make money online, and the most important ones depend on your skills, interests, and commitment. Here are some popular ways. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services, such as writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, and more, on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. 2. E-commerce. Start an online store on platforms like Shopify, Amazon, or eBay, and sell physical or digital products. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys or join market research panels that pay for your opinions and feedback. 3. Content creation. Create engaging content on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitch, and monetize it through ads, brand partnerships, or crowdfunding. 4. Online tutoring or teaching. Offer your expertise in a subject or skill as an online tutor or teacher on platforms like VIPKid, Check Tutors, or Teachable. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services of other companies on your website, blog, or social media, and earn a commission for every sale or click generated through your referral. 6. Online investing or trading. Engage in stock trading, cryptocurrency trading, or other types of online investing to earn profits from buying and selling assets. 7. Dropshipping. Set up an online store without holding inventory and sell products that are directly shipped from the manufacturer or supplier. 8. Virtual assistants. Offer administrative or other support services remotely to businesses or entrepreneurs as a virtual assistant. 9. Online gaming. Participate in competitive gaming tournaments, stream your gameplay on platforms like Twitch, or earn money through sponsorships or donations from your viewer.